I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 11 Ellis Street in Berserker. If you're looking for a dual income source investment or the horse life is your thing, this property is the one for you. Beyond the dividing fence, you will find 2 horse stables, a sand roll, a large air-conditioned 3-bay shed. All of this can be used as a dual income stream or combined as one to enjoy the horse life. This 3-bedroom high-set home sits on 1,600 square meters, and that's where the potential lies. If you can see potential in this 1,600 square meter dual road access block, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.